student. In the today lecture, we are discussing about the size reduction. The content in this lecture, we are studied about what is a size reduction, what are the objectives of size reduction, mechanism of size reduction, what are the law which will be applicable in size reduction, and what are the equipments which we use in the size reduction, like hammer mill, ball mill, edge runner mill, and the fluid energy mill. So, first of all, we study about what is a size reduction. Size reduction, it is a concern with the study of industrial process in which the raw material are changed into pharmaceutically useful product. This process reduces large solid unit mass vegetable or chemical substance into small unit. When particle size of solid reduced by mechanical means, it is known as milling. The size reduction operation can divide into two major categories depend upon the material, either it is a solid or a liquid. If the material is solid, the process is called grinding and cutting. If it is liquid, then it is called emulsification or atomization. The size reduction lead to increase the surface area. The objective behind the pharmaceutical capsule insufflation like powder or inhaled directly into the lung. Suppository ointment require particle size to be below 60 millimeter of the size. The size reduction produce particles in narrow size range, mixing of powder with narrow. Pharmaceutical suspension require fine particle size. It reduces the rate of sedimentation. The mechanism of size reduction involves the following term. In that, the first is called impact. This method involves hammer or bar at high speed, that is called hammer mill. Compression, particle crushed between roller by the application of force, that is called roller mill. Cutting, the material cut by a sharp blade, that is called cutter mill. Then attriation arising from particle scraping against one another or rubbing action, that is called fluid energy mill. The law which govern the size reduction, the first one is called Griff theory. Amount of force to apply depend upon the crack length. Secondly, we have kick law. Work required to reduce the size of a given quantity material is constant for the same reduction ratio regard original size. The Rettinger law, work used for particulate size reduction directly proportional to the new surface produced. Fourthly, we have Bond law. In this, the work used to reduce particle size is proportional to the square root of the diameter of the particle produced. There are certain factors which will affect the size reduction. In that, first one is called selection of mill related to feed, mill product, safety and economic. The factor related to nature of the raw material affecting size reduction. Hardness, it is easier to break the soft material than hard material. For example, iodine hammer mills is used, whereas fibrous, these are tough in nature. A soft, tough material has more difficult than a hard. The brittle substance, Ralphia ginger type of drug or cutter can be used. The elastic becomes soft during milling. Then melting point, waxy substance, fat, oil are softened during size reduction due to heat generation. Hygroscopic, certain substances absorb moisture content rapidly. They wet mass hamper the milling process. The various equipment as the shown in the slide. The equipments are like like smooth rock crusher, jaw crusher, fluid energy mill, hammer mill, and tumbling mill are there. So, firstly, we discuss about hammer mill. The principle behind the hammer mill is it operates on principle of impact between rapidly moving hammers mounted on router and stationary powder material. The parts it consists a metal casting enclosed a central shaft to which four or more swinging hammers are attached. Lowering part of causing consists of a screen through which material can pass and collect in a suitable receiver. As shown in the figure, one is a diagrammatic and one as in the original the hammer will work. As we see, the position of hammers are there and the screen, product and feed are shown. The construction and working of the hammer mill is essentially a steel drum containing vertical or horizontal rotating shaft or drum which hammers are mounted. Hammers swing on the end or fixed to the central root. The material powdered to desired size due to fast rotation of hammer is collected under the screen. The mainly operated at 1000 to 2500 rpm for the reduction of large size particle to high speed rotor uses 10,000 rpm speed. As you see in the diagram, you see the material will be entered through the hammer. There is a carbon steel contact parts are there. The material screening is there and the material discharge is there. It will used for brittle material is a best fracture by impact from blunt hammer. The fibrous material is best reduced by the cutting edge. The advantage it is a rapid in action capable of grinding many different type of material, easy to install and operate. There is a little contamination of the product with metal. The particle size material to reduce can easily control by changing the speed of the rotor hammer. The disadvantage of the hammer mill is the heat build up during milling is more, therefore product degradation is possible. The hammer mills cannot be employed in mill strictly fibrous and hard material. The screen may be closed. The another equipment we have ball mill. The principle of ball mill is a impact and alternation between the rapidly moving ball and powder material, both enclosed in a hollow cylinder. The parts of ball mill, a hollow cylinder mounted on a metallic frame such that it can be rotated along its longitudinal axis. The cylinder contains balls occupy 30 to 50% of mill volume. Weight of the ball is constant. Size depend upon feed quantity and diameter of the mill. The ball mill working at low speed, the ball roll over each other and iteration will be predominant mode of action. The advantage of ball mill produce very fine powder used for both wet and dry grinding process. The toxic substance can be ground as the cylinder is a closed system, operation and labor costs are low. The disadvantage of ball mill is a very noisy machine. Ball mill is a slow process. Soft fibrous material cannot be milled by ball mill. The use of this ball mill it is preferred in the production of ophthalmic and parental products. Ball mill at low speed is used for milling dye, pigment and insecticides. As the slide show, the you see the picture of ball mill, how it will be designed, a hollow cylinder with the presence of number of balls. This picture will be more clear than the previous as you see the ball mill system. The another mill here is a edge runner miller. The size reduction is done by crushing due to heavy weight of stone. It consists two heavy roller may weigh several tons. The roller move on a bed which is made up of a granite or stone. Each roller has a central shaft resolved on the axis. The rollers are mounted on horizontal shaft and move around the bed. As you see in the diagram, the advantage of this does not require attention during operation. The disadvantage, more space than other mill, contamination, time consuming. Thirdly, not used for sticky material. It will be used for grinding the tough material to fine powder. Another is red and another mill. As you see in the fluid energy mill. The diagram of this will show now the cluster mill. And another mill. The fluid energy mill. The fluid energy mill, it operates the principle of impact and attrition. The parts of it having a loop of pipe with diameter about 20 to 2000 millimeter. The overweight of the pipe is 2 meter. Construction of that having a diameter, there is an inlet for feed, a series of nozzles for the air having an outlet classifier which allow the air to escape. The working of this, as you see, the air or inert gas is introduced with a very high pressure through the nose. Solids are introduced into the air stream. The fine particles are collected through a classifier. This is used for to grind heat sensitive material to fine powder. The mill is used to grind those drugs in which high degree of purity is required. Now you see the jet mill, the name of another fluid dye energy mill. This is also another picture of fluid dye energy mill. The cluster mill or Sandgy mill. The cluster mill consists of two working rods with a diameter and four or more backup rods with large diameter. The number of backup rods high at 20 or more depend upon the sport headed for the working roll. It cluster mill is used for cold rolling process. As you see in the picture, the position of the there is a first intermediate roll. On the other hand, left side we see there is a second intermediate roll. At the below we see a strap is going on continue. There is a right hand side there is a working roll and the left hand side we having a driven roll. The driven roll is moved periphery also, the driven roll moving inside also. Thanks a lot. Have a nice time.